Best and simplest uses of aloe vera like a natural skin remedy. An skin healing mask. Aloe vera is useful for not just healing acne scarring but in addition for moisturizing your skin and ensure that it stays youthful. It's very easy to create a healing mask with simply the gel of just only 2 aloe vera leaf halves. Combine this with a few oil if you want for a nice scent. Mint, thieves, and chamomile are nice, or just use it plain. Make an application for half an hour and allow it to sit. It's mild in scent by itself and it has an especially wonderful cooling feel. A Sunburn Healing Gel. As many folks know, aloe vera is useful for helping with sunburn. You've likely seen those sunburn gels at drugstores with aloe vera. However, the more sensible choice, which will provide many less chemicals, would be to only use real aloe leaf. It can benefit reduce redness and pain connected with sunburn fairly rapidly and could be applied liberally around needed. You are able to use the gel plain or can combine it with a carrier oil, for example coconut and hemp, for added moisturizing and healing benefits. Minor skin burns. Because of this, my grandmother Alhouse stored aloe on hands. Apparently she understood that her 12 grandchildren might have a couple of burns in some places. She seemed to be a prepare and loved for doing things around if she touched a warm stove every occasionally. Recall her Alhouse using aloe on the burns as children despite the fact that we thought she was weird. It Alhouse labored rapidly. Aloe vera's moisturizing and healing benefits transcend into the skin to reduce inflammation and help with repair of your skin fairly rapidly. For doing things on the burn, apply sufficient to coat the burn and canopy having a bandage, therefore it can perform its job. Leave overnight and it ought to be better each morning. The pain disappears quickly upon application, however. Cuts and wounds. The gel from the aloe vera plant contains polysaccharide fibers, that is basically why it's used as a digestive aid, however that also causes it to be problematic for many people. These fibers also aid to close wounds and its natural cooling qualities help soothe pain from cuts and wounds. Apply aloe to minor skin cuts and wounds after you've cleansed the area having a warm cloth and a few hydrogen peroxide, yes, that part stings. Then seal up having a bandage and allow it to sit to heal overnight or each day. Itching or skin irritation. Skin psoriasis and skin irritation can both be considered a pain to cope with, literally, and may also be difficult to manage. Many prescription creams and over-the-counter creams do not work, and those which do frequently contain excess chemicals that aren't perfect for our skins to soak up. Parabens are typical component during these creams. Aloe is among the better to relieve itching and irritation since it contains glycoproteins that really help reduce inflammation upon contact.